Hey everyone, Grayson here and welcome to my channel. In today's project I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of planting up this container, I'm going to be dismantling it. Back on May 31st of this year, I planted up this beautiful container full of shade-loving perennials. This is the time of year when I need to make a decision if I'm going to leave these in this container and let them overwinter and have the possibility of them freezing, or go ahead and take them out and transplant them into my garden. So I have decided on the latter. We're going to transplant all of these beautiful shade-loving perennials into the garden. Now, first up, I have this beautiful autumn fern. Now these are hardy and growing zones 4 through 9. Next, we have a Better Homes and Garden Indian Summer Coral Bell, which is hardy and growing zones 4 through 9 as well. And lastly, I have this Half Moon Hosta, which is actually hardy and growing zones 3 through 9. So when you think about perennials in containers, I love it because it gives me what I call a twofer. I can enjoy these all season long here on the patio in this beautiful container, and then come fall, I can take them and transplant all of them into my landscape. Now, a rule of thumb you always want to go by, take your growing zone and go 2 growing zones lower. So if I'm in a growing zone 8, then I need to go with a perennial that's going to be hardy in a growing zone 6. And I can leave those in this container. If you think about it, you know, as winter comes and air flows around this container, it will freeze and kill these perennials. They're insulated so much more in the ground. So I have chosen to dismantle this lovely container and go ahead and put everything in my landscape. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just use my small shovel, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna try to get as much of the root ball as possible, and I'm just gonna pop them down here in my little trug, and then we'll take them up front and we'll get them planted. So here we go. Now the first one I'm going to take out is this autumn fern. All of these plants have done phenomenal in this container. Look at that. It's really grown quite a bit. So these are going to enjoy being in the landscape. Okay, next let's go ahead and get our Indian Summer Euchera or Coral Bell out. This has really grown quite a bit as well. Look at that beautiful red foliage. Isn't that beautiful? And lastly, this Half Moon Hosta with this striking chartreuse green. The awesome thing about hostas is that you can divide these year after year, and we'll groom up any of these leaves as we plant them in the landscape. Okay, so that container's all cleaned out for the season. Let's start on the next one. So don't ever be intimidated about growing or planting perennials in pots and containers, because as you can see, they thrive in containers. You just always want to pick the right perennial for the right location, whether it be sun or shade. Let's take this hosta out first. And that's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and get these in the landscape. Okay, so here we are in the front northern bed that I worked on a couple of weeks ago that I cleared out. And this is where we're going to be planting all of these shade-loving perennials. This is the perfect location for it. I have a couple of woo-la-la hostas here, and then I have just a couple of various other hostas here. And this is where everything's going to go. So let's go ahead and get these planted. So I'm going to go ahead and place these autumn ferns towards the back of the flower bed, because I know these are going to grow up pretty tall, probably a couple of feet tall and wide, if not larger. So those are going to go in the back. I'm going to place these coral bells here in the front. Okay, that's going to do it for today's project. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and found inspiration in some way to get out into your garden and transplant all of your summer perennials out into your landscape. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I think the bed turned out nice. I'm going to be adding more and more perennials to this garden as we go along. Now is the perfect time to get all of your perennials in the ground, or any plants for that matter. So again, thank you for watching my channel, Gardening with Grayson. I'll see you in the next one.